Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sly on Expose Info TV. Today I'll be showing you how to claim free 59,000 worth of airdrop on your smartphone. This is not the usual claiming we do, so I advise you don't miss any part of this video. This is the first time we'll be using this method on this channel, and I want you to stay tuned to the end so that you get how it's being done. For people who subscribe under this video, you stand the chance to be part of people that will win 300 USDT on this channel. So if you've not subscribed, I advise that you click the subscribe button now so that you can stand the chance to win part of this $300 for yourself as one of the subscribers on this channel. About how to make money online with cryptocurrency, telecommunication, and tech generally. I also do review and also share news around the world. So if you are just coming across this channel for the first time and you like the video you are seeing on this channel, don't forget to smash the red subscribe button so that you can stand the chance to win or be part of people that will win the 300 USDT as subscriber of this channel. So we'll go straight to the business of today. Which is how to claim up to $59,000 airdrop freely on your phone. This is not the usual method we use. So first thing you want to know is we'll be using another wallet. We'll be using a contact address. So the link to the contact address is dropped at the description of this video, so you can get it from there. So what you want to do first is, if you don't have this wallet, you go to Play Store. So you want to go to Play Store first. If you don't have this wallet, you want to go to Play Store. You want to search for Atomic Wallet. So in this video, we'll be making use of Atomic Wallet. So you see, if you don't have it already, you will see the button that says install, so you can install it from there. So when you install it from there, we are going to open it now. You've installed the Atomic Wallet. You want to open it first so that we set it up before we claim this $59,000 worth of airdrop. It's trying to load up. Okay, let's wait for it. It's trying to load up. Okay, I think it's coming out now. Okay, good. Now first thing you want to do is you want to click on create wallet. Click on create new wallet. So I click on create new wallet. I put in password. You type your password, then you click set. Then you have to confirm the password again. Then you click confirm. Then it will take you to where you are going to save your recovery phrase. So I will pause this side and come back when I've copied my recovery phrase. So I was unable to pause it before the recovery phase comes out. So after this video, I'm going to delete that wallet so that someone else will not go ahead and access my wallet. So now you see, now we just set up the Atomic Wallet. Now this is not the usual wallet we use. If you've been following the video on this channel, you see that we've not been using Atomic Wallet. this is the first time we'll be using Atomic Wallet on this channel, and very simple to set up. So what you want to do now is you want to scroll to see different coin. So now I'm going to copy the contact address. As you can see, before I copy the contact address, before I do what we need to do, as you can see now, the balance here is 0 USD, so which means there's nothing here. So there's nothing here, everything is 0 because it's a new wallet we just created now. So I'll go ahead now and copy the contact address. You can see the link to copy the contact address from the description of this video. Contact address, I copy the contact address. When I copy the contact address, what I want to do is I want to click at the top right corner. I want to click on the icon that look like settings. So when I get here, I'll click on add token. Then I want to click add by contracts. I hope you get it, so I'll go back first. On your screen, you click at the top right corner, the icon that look like settings. Then you click add token, then you click add by contracts. So what I want to do is I want to click on tap to paste. So I'll paste in the contact address. You see, when I paste in the contact address, the full name comes out, which is pro chain, then the ticker, which is PRO, then the decimal, which is 2. So in case you are pasting your own and the full name and other details are not coming out, so you can fill in the full name, which is pro chain, then the ticker, which is PRO, then the decimal, which is 2. Then what you want to do is you want to click on the button that says add token. Okay, so I just added this token now. Then I will click the back arrow, I'll click the back arrow, I'll click the back arrow. I think that's about 3 times. So what I want to do is I want to refresh first. I want to refresh the app. So I'll click on this icon below the settings icon. I'll click on this icon, so it's refreshing now. Please pay attention to my screen. It's refreshing now. Okay, nothing is coming out yet. Okay, let's scroll down to see this token, this airdrop. Okay, scroll down. Okay, I want to scroll down to go see this airdrop. Okay, good. Here we have it. So it's showing 0. So guys, what you are going to do when it's showing 0 is you are going to go back. You refresh it again. It has been added already. So you refresh it. Okay, now if the coin is not coming out, don't worry, just click at the top left corner of your screen. Then you want to click, or you want to filter, then you want to say low to high. Then you want to click this button that say hide 0 balance. Then you click apply. Add 0 balance. Okay, just wait for it to load out so that we can confirm the balance. okay. Okay, it's trying to load up. Just keep refreshing, it will come out. Keep refreshing, it will come out. Okay, you want to say okay, still showing 0. At the first time of claiming this, I experienced this same thing. So what you need to do is you have to keep refreshing. So the value is still 0, as you can see. The value is still 0. So the value has to come out first before we can see the USD value. So I will pause this video and come back. "35 to 40 minutes, this token finally reflects. Though at the first time that I claimed this token, it was 59,000 USD, but right now you can see I'm scrolling down now so that we can see it. So it's almost about 30 to 40 minutes of refreshing this page. So you see now this token is now $42,000. If you see from here, you see that this token suffer almost 32% drop. So if you calculate 32% drop plus this $42,000 now, you see that what I said is true. So as at yesterday, when I claimed this token on this atomic wallet, it was $59,000. So you see now, I click on it now, it's just $42,000. So it's still a good amount. So it's still a good amount to ride on with. So in the next video, I'll be doing how to withdraw this token. Don't forget, if you've not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to smash the red subscribe button, so you might be part of the lucky winners that will win part of this 300 USDT. So smash the red subscribe button now, and I will pick randomly the winner. So guys, see you in the next video. In the next video, I'm going to do a video of how to withdraw this token. It took almost 30 minutes before this airdrop reflects in the atomic wallet. So I advise you watch every part of this video so that you don't miss any step of this video. So thank you guys, love you all, see you in the next video.